And joining us now for more analysis is criminal defense attorney Rachel Fiset. Welcome. Good to see you.
Nice to see you.
So let's start with jury selection, which is getting underway today. Is it really going to be possible for Trump to get an impartial jury in this case in New York? And do you expect maybe a change of venue?
I am not expecting a change of venue. I think if that were going to happen, it would have already happened. I'm not saying that Trump won't try for a change of venue, but I believe we are here and it is going forward. The security is in place. The courtroom has likely been working on the security team for many weeks, and here we are. So as far as an impartial jury, that is going to be difficult, but I do think they will be able to meet the standard of whether they can be impartial in this case. I think people are still going to have some sort of opinion relating to Donald Trump's political views, but the real focus will be whether they can listen to the evidence and do what they think is right according to the law and the evidence.
Yeah, you know, this hush money case has people on both sides watching very closely. So what will the media's role be in this case, and what will the public actually be able to see when it comes down to the trial starting?
The trial will not be televised. However, the media is in the courtroom and there is an overflow courtroom. And I think we are getting already up to the minute updates of what's happening inside the courtroom. It's just that we won't get to see it ourselves. However, because the media is able to tweet, we are going to be able to follow this very closely from the reporters inside.
And what about Trump's role, the actual criminal defendant's role himself? What is his role going to be in the case, especially given his other pending cases?
So he has to be there every single day. A criminal defendant must be in the courtroom to hear the evidence against them, and he cannot get out of this. Now, whether he will testify remains to be seen. He may elect to take his Fifth Amendment right and stay silent throughout the case. If he does testify, like all criminal defendants, he is subject to a charge of perjury should he say something untrue. So that will be very interesting to see whether he speaks. However, he has promised to give kind of nightly news conferences after the trial. So I think we're going to be hearing a lot from him not under oath. And, you know, practically speaking, him being in trial every day takes him a bit off the campaign trail. So it's quite a burden to have to be there daily for him. And that is what he has to do.
All right, Rachel Fiset, thank you so much for that insight. We appreciate it.